from tomorrow, the West Bengal government will allow flight operations to resume in the state owing to the cyclone Amphan. West Bengal government had decided not to restart the domestic flight services on Monday. Passengers who are flying to Kolkata need to follow a host of guidelines that have been issued by Mamata Banerjee-led government. Here's a detailed report filed by my colleague Surya Agni.
There was a delay in the flights taking off and coming, especially for West Bengal, due to the Amphan. How were you guys prepared about this particular one?
See, we were prepared since 23rd of May. After Amphan, even next day we had accommodated flights here, the relief and repatriation flight for foreigners. There were 2 flights on 21st and 22nd, and also some cargo flights operated. So, due to Amphan cyclone, airport was non-operational only for about 26 hours or so. After that, we had been operational. And we were also ready to start the domestic scheduled flight operations from 25th Monday, like the rest of the country. But state government had made a request to Ministry of Civil Aviation to defer the commencement of flights as the state administration were busy with the relief and restoration work for Amphan cyclone.
So the airport, the Kolkata airport was all ready for the 25th. Like, am I wrong if I say that by the 25th, Kolkata airport was completely ready to for flights to come in and go out. Just that the state government had its relief work, and that made the delay.
Yes, we were fully ready from 25th to start the operations.
So coming to the 28th, like tomorrow, the first flight is going to come down at is going to land at around early morning, I presume. Can you please tell us about that?
See, we have not yet got the schedule. We are awaiting the schedule of the flights which are going to start from tomorrow. It will be a very truncated operations initially from 28th to 31st. Only 10 or 11 departures and similar number of arrivals.
Like 10 in the 3 days, or like 10 each day?
Each day. 10 arrival or departure per day up to say 31st.
And post that, do you think the airport is ready to handle more flights?
Yes, definitely. As I told you, we were ready from 25th to handle about 85 flights, that is 85 departures and 85 arrivals, which was the approved schedule. But because of the Amphan and the subsequent request made by state government, this truncated schedule has been approved, and we will shortly know about the schedule, which has about 10 or 11 flights per day.
So one basic question, you guys have been making sure that international passengers who come down, they are screened properly. What is the procedure with the domestic ones, like especially for Kolkata airport?
See, for domestic scheduled passengers, Ministry of Civil Aviation has recently issued a guideline to be followed, basically precautions to avoid the spread of coronavirus. Now this air travel during COVID-19, we are calling it the new normal because it is going to continue for quite some time.